Introduction to Family Sharing and Language Apps.
The family sharing features in language learning apps let you share subscriptions, lessons, and progress tracking among family members. These tools are especially useful for parents and children learning together, making language practice more collaborative and efficient. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up and make the most of family sharing in popular kids' language apps.
Setting up family sharing on your device.
To start, enable family sharing through your device's settings, such as Apple Family Sharing or Google Family Group. Add family members by inviting them via their email address. Once they accept, your family group can access eligible apps and shared subscriptions, streamlining access to language resources for everyone.
Connecting family accounts in language learning apps.
Most language apps for children support family sharing through their own settings. In the app, look for account management or subscription sections and activate family access. Some apps may require you to assign child profiles or link accounts using a family manager, ensuring each member has a personalized learning space.
Benefits of collaborative learning and parental controls.
Family sharing often includes parental controls and shared progress reports. Parents can monitor learning milestones, set goals, and encourage language practice through rewards. Collaboration features may include family leaderboards, joint challenges, or group achievements, making language learning social, supportive, and fun for kids.
Tips for maximizing family sharing in language apps.
Take advantage of built-in features like shared lesson reminders, individual progress tracking, and collaborative games. Encourage regular practice by setting up weekly family language challenges. Reviewing each other's progress fosters accountability and motivation, helping everyone maintain steady progress in learning a new language together.